Rocking us. Okay, now before taking much time, I'll be just जाऊं अपने पिया को रम जाऊं वारी वहरी मोहे सुध बुध ना दे तन मन की रे मैं हरी दुनिया हरी रे मैं हरी मैं दिल हरी तेरे नाम से जीऊं तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं तूने क्या कर डाला मर गई मैं मिट गई मैं हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तेरी दीवानी दीवानी इश्क जुनून जब हद से बढ़ जाए इश्क जुनून जब हद से बढ़ जाए हंसते हंसते आशिक सूली चढ़ जाए जब इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले जब इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले खूब लगा लो पहले रस्ते रखने यही इश्क की मर्जी है यही रब की मर्जी है यही इश्क की मर्जी है यही रब की मर्जी है तेरे बिन जीना कैसा नाबुद गर्जी है तूने क्या कर डाला मर गई मैं मिट गई मैं तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तेरी दीवानी
Structural and network support. May I request you, sir, to share experiences with us?
It sounds miss you and I miss you too, guys. All of us, all the alumni, we all miss this college. All the students, first of all, before actually starting, because they really put the boring part to me. All the students here, you're gonna be there where today we are. You know, after 3 years, 4 years from now, maybe, you're gonna sit in these rows, and they're gonna be juniors to you, saying the same, miss you. Correct? Okay, a very, very warm welcome, a very good evening, and thank you. And respected people of management, respected faculty members, I really didn't come prepared here. I was told I have to speak up for 3 minutes, let you guys know about career, about college, and this is not my topic because I've been a backbenchers like you guys, and I've been playing guitar in Moksh, like Pratik said, we have been the one who started the Moksh band. So, कुछ चीजें मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहूंगा जो स्वाति और प्रतीक ने ऑलरेडी कवर कर दी हैं. When we came to this college, once more, all right, now shut up, guys. Guys, a few words. I won't take much time because I know it's getting a little boring here. Trust me, I'll say one line. Trust me, all the students, especially of Vidya College of Engineering, you cannot be in a better place in UPTU where you are today, because this college, which started with, I guess it's 100 acres of area. It started with 80 acre or 100 acre of areas. Half a building, there was not even a hostel in the college. Half a building, which ends up with, look around what you have. Just look around what you have. You have a swimming pool in the college. So to cut it short, I wish all the best to all the students for their career, for their life, and trust yourself, and more than that, trust the college. It is for your betterment. You don't get all this in any other place in UPTU. I can assure you that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. 11. Yes, Mr. Vaibhav Saxena, currently he is a network analyst in HCL Connect. Sir, can you please come on the stage to say a few words? I request Mr. Vaibhav Saxena.
When we used to call guests to this place to deliver the speech, this time we have been called as guests to deliver a message to all. So let's have a huge round of applause to all the students of Vidya.
You know, Deepti, I'm so proud to see the development of Vidya, the progress of Vidya. And you know, it's because of whom?
Yes, I know.
Whom?
The students!
It's of the students, for the students, and by the students. मैं 2 पल चलता और 1 पल रुकता, और इस 1 पल में जिंदगी मुझसे 2 कदम आगे निकल जाती.
मैं फिर 2 कदम चलता, 1 पल रुकता, और जिंदगी मुझसे 4 कदम आगे निकल जाती.
यूं जिंदगी को जीतता देख मैं मुस्कुराता, और जिंदगी मेरी मुस्कुराहट पे हैरान होती.
फिर एक दिन मुझे हंसता देख एक सितारे ने मुझसे पूछा, तुम हार कर भी मुस्कुराते हो, तुम्हें दुख नहीं होता हार का?
फिर मैंने कहा, एक सरहद ऐसी आएगी जहां से आगे जिंदगी 4 कदम तो क्या 1 कदम भी आगे न बढ़ पाएगी, और तब मैं जिंदगी से कहूँगा,
और तब मैं यूं ही चलता रुकता अपनी धुन में अपनी रफ्तार में वहां पहुंचूंगा,
और तब उसी वक्त मैं जिंदगी से जीत जाऊंगा.
उसी वक्त मैं जिंदगी से जीत जाऊंगा.
You know, Deepti, there are times when you would start to doubt your own capabilities. You would start to doubt your own potential. Let me tell you, friends, never do that. Never let that happen to you. Have faith in your talent, have faith in your beliefs, and you're gonna rock like you've been rocking so far. And someday, you'll be here standing right in front of us, and we will be right there sitting in front of you and listening to what you speak, as patiently as you are listening to us right now.
And I think we all have experienced in our lives that the things don't go the way we want them to be. And after college, life don't serve you cakes. It might throw stones at you. You might be questioned at your own potential. But I feel that we need to keep few points in our mind. That is first thing which I incorporated. Believe in yourself. Never doubt your potential. Never ever let anyone doubt you. And
Your capabilities.
your capabilities. Second thing is,
Always make sure that this is your college, you belong to this place, you make this place. If something good happens to you, it's because of your own efforts, your own karmas and your own deeds. Never blame anybody else other than yourself for anything bad that happens to you.
And you rock.
And let's say, God bless Vidya and God bless Vidyans. Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much.
ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਚਾਰਜ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ 24 ਘੰਟੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਚਾਰਜ ਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਮੱਕਾ ਦੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਸਰਸੋਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਗ ਦਾ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਦਿਲਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਡੈਜ਼ਲਰ ਸੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਗਿਵ ਅ ਹਿਊਜ ਰਾਉਂਡ ਆਫ ਅਪਲੌਜ਼ ਫॉर ਸਾਡਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਡੈਜ਼ਲਰ with his concept of making things done in the best way they can be. So we would like to call Colonel Ravindra Prakash, Director, Vidya School of Business, an eminent speaker, a well-renowned personality in the vicinity of Vidya's Knowledge Park.
Faces after a long gap. We would prefer